Mama.
Okay. So, dear students, today we are on COVID portion, and in COVID portion we are doing question number right now, question number 9, and which is based on a square. Now let us understand which is their question number 9. So this is the heading COVID, and today's date is 30th of April. Now in this question it is telling that you have a square measures 9 centimeter on each side. ठीक है, मतलब एक स्क्वायर आपको पता है उस स्क्वायर की हर साइड 9 सेंटीमीटर की है. ठीक है, so now it is telling what will be the 1/6 of the perimeter of the square. तो सबसे पहले you have to take out the perimeter of the square. So you are knowing perimeter of any square means 4 into side, and according to the question it is telling that side is of 9 centimeter. So when you will multiply 9 with 4, it will give you 36 centimeter. So now we have got the perimeter actually. And now the question is telling what will be the 1/6 of the perimeter. So 1/6 of means multiply, perimeter means 36. Now just to simply cut it, 6 6 is 36. Answer will be 6 centimeter. Finished. It's not so tough question, beta. It's a normal. Yes. So, dear students, question number 1 of more challenging question is: a man left 1/2 of his property to his wife. He divided the remaining property equally among 5 of his children. How much did each child get? This is one of the easy question, but it is written in more challenging because इसमें थोड़ा सा दिमाग यूज करना है. So that is why I am telling here everyone to please be alert on your chat box. ठीक है, please be alert on your chat box. Yes, so we are on more challenging question, and more challenging question number 1 says that a man left half of his property to his wife. So now everyone knows कि अगर कोई person जो है वो अपनी half property छोड़ रहा है, तो it means half property उसने कहीं और use करी, बची हुई half उसने अपनी wife को दी. ठीक है, so half मिल गया wife को. Now it is telling he divided the remaining property, मतलब half उसने अपनी wife को दे दिया और जो बचा हुआ half था, because half will be left over here. Now this left half he has given to his 5 of his children. So it means ये बचा हुआ wife, बचा हुआ 1/2 portion he has given to 5 of his children. So I will divide this half property to 5 of his children. So now 1/2 divided by 5, because 1/2 portion 5 लोगों को distribute हुआ है. So 1/2 will remain 1/2. Divide will convert into multiply. 5 will give it to you 1/5 by doing the reciprocal. ठीक है, by doing the reciprocal. And now you will solve it simply. That is 1 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 5, which will give you 10. मतलब wife को मिलेगा 1/2 part और उसके हर एक बच्चे को मिलेगा 1/10 part. Finished. This question is finished right now. 9 friends went for a lunch. 3 of them said that they will share half of the expenses equally, and the other 6 said that they would share the other half equally. मतलब यहाँ पर हो सकता है कि कुछ फ्रेंड्स जो 9 फ्रेंड्स लंच पे गए उसमें से हो सकता है कुछ फ्रेंड्स जो है रिच रहे हो और कुछ फ्रेंड्स रहे हो जो नॉर्मल फैमिली से बिलोंग करते रहे हो, या उनके पास हो सकता है उस समय कम पैसे रहे हो. ठीक है, तो उन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग 3 फ्रेंड्स का एक ग्रुप बन गया, 6 फ्रेंड्स का एक ग्रुप बन गया. ठीक है, और उन लोगों ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग हाफ ऑफ मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे आपस में. ठीक है, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इट इज आस्किंग हाउ मच वन ऑफ फ्रेंड विल गिव. उस 3 वाले ग्रुप में से और 6 वाले ग्रुप में से कितना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस सी ऑन द चैट बॉक्स, सॉरी लेट अस सी ऑन द बोर्ड. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 that is related to 9 friends. So बेटा 9 फ्रेंड्स जो क्वेश्चन में दिए हैं उन लोगों ने अपने आप को 2 ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर लिया, 3 के और 6 के. टोटल वो 9 थे. ठीक है, एंड दे हैव डिवाइडेड देमसेल्फ इन द ग्रुप ऑफ 3 and 6. ठीक है, अब 3 बच्चों ने बोला कि हम लोग हाफ मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे आपस में और बचे हुए 6 बच्चों ने कहा कि हम लोग बचा हुआ मनी जो है वो हम 6 लोग डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेंगे, ठीक है। सो अब नाउ वी हैव टू टेल how much 3 friends have to pay. So what you will do, simply 1/2 divided by 3, and here 1/2 will be divided by 6, क्योंकि ये हाफ मनी 3 लोगों ने बांटी है आपस में और ये हाफ मनी 6 लोगों ने आपस में बांटी है. So it will be 1/2 divided by 3 and this is 1/2 divided by 6. Now let's see this. 1/2 division will get multiplied. 3 upon 1 का हो जाएगा 1/3 and this time 1/2 division will get into multiply and 6 का हो जाएगा 1/6. Now simply you have to solve. It will give you 1/6. It will give you 1/12. Now see, जो 6 बच्चे आपस में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं उनको देना पड़ेगा 1/12 पार्ट और जो 3 बच्चे आपस में मनी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं उनको देना पड़ेगा 1/6 पार्ट. So now question number second is completed. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is express 1/19 in the form of decimal up to 4 decimal places. Up to 4 decimal places. So 1/19 का मतलब होता है बेटा 1 divided by 19 and 1 divided by 19 means 1 will get inside and 19 will be outside. ठीक है, according to the divisor, because this is divisor, this is dividend over here. So now you are knowing 19 के टेबल में 1 आता ही नहीं है. So we will put 0 and decimal, then it will give you 10. ठीक है, आपने दे दिया यहाँ पर and now you are knowing कि again it is not divisible. ठीक है, क्योंकि 10 भी इससे छोटा नंबर. नाउ एक ही स्टेप में you want one more time 0. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पर भी आप 0 दोगे तो यहाँ पर आप एक साथ याद रखिएगा एक स्टेप में केवल एक ही बार 0 दिया जाता है बेटा. अब अगर आपको उससे ज्यादा 0 चाहिए तो आपको ऊपर भी 0 देने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, सो नाउ इट्स 0.0 आ गया. नाउ इट इज 100 and you are knowing according to the table 19 5s are 95. ठीक है, इसको सॉल्व किया आपने, you will get it only 5. now 19 के टेबल में 5 नहीं आता है, डेसिमल आपने पहले से लगाया हुआ है, so you can give 1 0 at a time. ठीक है, and then you are knowing 19 2s are 38. now 10 में से 8 जाएगा बचेगा 2, 4 में से 3 जाएगा बचेगा 1. now you got it 12 and 12 के अकॉर्डिंग अगर आप करोगे then again you can take one more 0. then you have the table according to that 19 एक मिनट 19 5 जा तो हम लोग कर चुके 19 6 जा. let us try. it will be now 4 and this is 5 11 114. so यहाँ पे 6 times it will give you 114. now when you will solve it it will get cancel, it will give you 6. now अभी अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन को आगे सॉल्व करना चाहो बेटा तो you can solve it because you are getting it 6 over here. but question is telling you have to solve this question up to 4 decimal places only and you can see once 1 2 3 4 we have already got the 4 places after decimal. we have already got 4 places after decimal. so this okay, now next question is question number 4 and which is telling us that how much more is 0.44 than 2/5. It means ultimately we have to compare and we have to find the difference between 0.44 and 2/5. So for that what we will do, या तो हम इसको फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करें और या तो हम इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करें. it can be anything can be done. so what will be, it will be more easy to make it this one as a decimal number. ठीक है, so this is 2/5 beta. 2/5 is having the denominator as 5, so it will be easy to convert this number as a decimal form. you are knowing we will simply multiply 2 with the denominator and numerator both. it will give you 4/10 and 4/10 का मतलब होता है 0.4. ठीक है, now we have got it 0.4 from here and we had 0.44 here. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 4 है, यहाँ पर 4 है. So you can write it down 40 also. So now this number is 44, this number is 0.40. Now it is asking simply how much more it is. So just find out the difference. 0.44 minus 0.40. Just simply subtract it. It will give you 4. It will give you 0. This will give you 0. So the answer of this particular question will be 0.04 will be the answer for this one.